Hello again, this is Captain John with another one of my video tips of the week. Some charts show lights broken into green, red, yellow, white, or even obscured sectors. Colors help the mariner stay in safe water, while obscured sectors show dangers or obstructions. In today's video, we'll take a look at these obscured sectors. In this excerpt from chart number 1, note the flashing white 5-second light that stands 41 meters above sea level and is visible for 30 nautical miles on a clear night. This all-around white light will not be visible within the arc, shown by the two dashed lines. The cartographers have abbreviated the obscured sector with the letters OBSCD. This sector of darkness covers the dangerous island to the east. If this light disappears into darkness as you pass by, you'll know right away that you've entered the area of danger. On the top right illustration, you see the nautical chart symbol that shows a magenta teardrop, and this light position has been shown with a dot. Two dashed lines show the arc of the obscured sector. If you use the latest electronic charts called vector charts, you will see a colored circle centered over the light position. A break somewhere along the circle with dashed lines extending from the light position show the obscured segment. This chart in Alaska shows two obscured sector lights. Soundings are in fathoms at mean low or low water. Take a look at light number 2, which shows a flashing red 4-second light, 17 feet tall and visible for 4 nautical miles on a clear night. But close to half of that light has an obscured sector over the dangerous shoals of rocks and kelp. Keep this light visible at all times when navigating in this area. If at any time you lose sight of the light, turn to the west and sail until once again you see the flashing red 4-second light. The more powerful light on this point shows a flashing white 4-second light standing 81 feet tall and visible for 9 nautical miles on a clear night. An obscured sector covers the shoals, fish traps, and unlighted points. As you pass by this light, you want to keep it visible at all times to stay in safe water. Now you know another way that your nautical or electronic chart helps keep you safe wherever you sail in the world. Use simple sailing tips like these for safer sailing or cruising this season, wherever you choose to sail or cruise. This is Captain John, and this has been another one of my video tips of the week. Find more sailing tips and techniques on www.skippertips.com.